Hello, today I want to make a quick video about how camera works in Crash games. I discovered it during reverse engineering. In Crash games, camera position is baked, and by baked I mean for each place where you go, the camera will be automatically adjusted to see player from perspective that was designed by developers. Now think, how the camera position can be baked? If you are a game developer, you may think to make a path from camera using some spline or store position and rotation in chunks for each zone. Well, the second approach is close to what we have. So how to implement such system? Actually, the system is not very hard for understanding. The system is based on three so-called hexahedrons: I shape, L shape, and C shape. Hexahedron is a cube where each vertex can have its own position. Here you can see multiple of these chunks. Let's select the first one and investigate. As we can see, I shape marked with blue color, L shape with red, and C shape with green. I shape is used as initial point. If player stands inside this hexahedron, we need to map player position from I shape to L shape. To do this, we need to know how matrix transformation works. But to avoid a long boring explanation of math, I just will show what we need using 2D example. Here we have two rectangles, and I need to map this blue point to another rectangle relatively. If this is a simple rectangle, it is easy to do, but what if we have quadrilateral which is more complex than a regular rectangle? Well, game developers use matrix transformation for this, and they work well in both 2D and 3D games. Knowing that, we can map our player position from I shape to L shape. The result is our camera target position, the point where camera is supposed to look at. And after that, we need to know the position of the camera itself. For this, we need to map this target point position from L shape to C shape. The rest part is simple. We only need to calculate camera rotation, which is very easy, and also apply zoom. Each chunk, besides those three cubes, has also information about zoom levels and other related parameters. But I'll keep it for another video. Hope now you understand how camera works in Crash games. Feel free to write your questions or suggestions in my Discord or in the comment. Bye.